Today your boy finna be doing an oil change on the Cutlass. We got some oil. We got us one of them Napa gold filters, 1045. And how I came up with this part number was the original AC Delco, what is it, the PF 45. On the back of the box, it's got like a different reference guide for different filters. And the wicks, what is it, the wicks 51045 is the same thing as this Napa 1045. Because this wicks, wicks make this. Napa just put their name on it. You feel me? So first off, we're gonna take this cap off. I got oil leak up under this motherfucker. This oil motherfucker. Cause I still gotta change my oil pan gasket. That's just so stupid. So I'm just fucking with it. I ain't trying to fuck with it. That shit a little bit of work. So we're gonna let that run up out of there for a second, man. That shit nasty as hell. Yeah, let's see. Now I'm going to get this filter up out of here. Wipe this off real quick. Alright, that's all clean. Ain't no gasket left around it. Alright, I'm gonna put a little bit of this oil in here. I ain't gonna put too much because I don't want it to run out when I'm screwing it back up on there. There it is. I'm gonna take a little bit of this, rub it around there, get a little bit on that ring, lube it up a little bit. Dripping a little bit. I ain't got time for that. So we can go and put the plug back in now. People don't be caring to torque their plug in. But I'm gonna torque mine. Torque it to 20 foot-pound. Got that plug in there, that fresh filter on there. We can go and fill her up with some fresh oil now. Don't spill the shit, bro.